Success is not about luck. It's not about where you're born, how rich your parents are, or even how smart you are. It's about who you choose to become. The world's most successful people, from Elon Musk to Steve Jobs, had specific signs early on that showed they were destined for success. And today, I'll reveal 7 signs that prove you might be next. Sign 1. You're uncomfortable with average. Most people accept life as it is. But if you feel uncomfortable with average, like deep inside you know you're meant for more, that's a major sign you're wired for success. Sign 2. You learn from failure, not fear it. Successful people fail faster than others. Instead of being afraid of failure, they use it as a stepping stone. If you see failure as a lesson, not an excuse, success is already in your future. Sign 3. You take action before feeling ready. Most people wait for the perfect moment to start something. But successful people? They take action first and figure it out along the way. If you don't let fear stop you, that's a huge advantage. Sign 4. You value time more than money. Successful people understand that time is their greatest asset. If you'd rather invest time in learning, growing, and creating than just chasing a paycheck, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Sign 5. You surround yourself with growth-minded people. If you hang out with 5 lazy people, you'll be the 6th. But if you surround yourself with 5 successful, driven individuals, you will become one of them. Look around. Who's influencing you? Sign 6. You're obsessed with learning and self-improvement. If you constantly seek knowledge, read books, and upgrade your skills, congratulations. This is a clear success indicator. The world belongs to those who never stop learning. Sign 7. You take full responsibility for your life. The biggest sign of future success. No blaming, no excuses. If you believe that everything in your life is your responsibility, that means you have the power to change it. And that's what makes people unstoppable. So tell me, how many of these 7 signs do you have? Drop your number in the comments. And if you want more success tips, hit like and subscribe, because I'm here to help you reach your full potential.